Hello students, I am Vandana Shukla, computer educator at Deep Darshan Vidya Sankul. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Welcome back to Number System. In this unit, we are going to solve decimal to binary conversion, binary to decimal conversion, and binary addition. Let's start. So here one decimal number is given, that is 68, and we have to convert this decimal number into binary number. So as you know, binary number has base 2. So when we have to convert this number into binary number, so the base is 2, so we have to divide this number by 2. So let's start dividing 68 by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, remainder is 0. 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, remainder is 0. 2 8s are 16, remainder is 1. 2 4s are 8, remainder is 0. 2 2s are 4, remainder is 0. 2 1s are 2, remainder is 0. And the last 0 and 1 will be the last remainder. So we have to write the remainder from bottom to top. So answer is 1 0 0 1 0 0. This is the answer of 68 decimal number conversion, and you have to write in this way. Let's take another example, that is 987. So divide this number by 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18, 2 3s are 6, remainder is 1. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12, remainder is 1. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, remainder is 0. 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2, remainder is 1. 2 3s are 6, then 1 is remainder, that will be, we will write on the right side, and 0 will come here. 2 1s are 2, then 2 5s are 10, remainder is 0. 2 7s are 14, remainder is 1. 2 3s are 6, remainder is 1. 2 1s are 2, remainder is 1, and the last 0 and 1 will be the last remainder. Now start writing this remainder from bottom to top. So answer will be 4 times 1, then 0 double 1 0 double 1, and this is the answer of this binary conversion. Now we will do binary to decimal conversion. So one binary number is given, and that number is 1011, and we have to convert this number into decimal number. So how to convert it? See the steps. So as you know, binary number system has base 2. So we will multiply the given binary number with 2. So we'll start from the right side. 1 into 2, 2 has power 0, plus 1 into 2, 2 has power 1, plus 0 into 2, 2 has power 2, plus 1 into 2 and 2 has power 3. Now we have to calculate these things. So in the first 1 into 2, 2 has power 0. So when you multiply 1 into 2, the answer will be 1 because 2 has power 0. Plus 1 into 2, 2 has power 1. So when you multiply 1 with 2, answer will be 2. Plus 0 into 2, 2 has power 2. But here when you multiply anything with 0, so the value will become 0. Plus 1 into 3, 1 into 2, 2 has power 3. So multiply 1 with 2, 1 into 2 equal to 2 and 2 has power 3. So you have to multiply 2 with 3 times. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So answer is 8. Now add this all number together. 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 1 equal to 11. So answer is 11. Now we'll start binary addition. So first of all, see the rules of binary addition. Here 0 plus 0 equal to 0. 0 plus 1 equal to 1. 1 plus 0 equal to 1 and 1 plus 1 equal to 10. So we have to remember these rules, and according to the rule we will start addition of these two binary number. So first of all, write the both number and start addition it. Start from the right side. So here 1 plus 1 equal to 10 according to the rule. So 0, we have to write 0 on the downside and 1 will be carry. So now 1 plus 1 equal to 0. 1 plus 1 equal to 10. So we will write 0 and 1 will be carry. Again here 3 1 we get 3 1 here. So again 1 plus 1 equal to 10. 10 plus 1 equal to 11. That is 1 here and 1 will be the carry of the fourth place. Again 1 plus 0 equal to 1 and the last 1 plus 0 equal to 1. See the next example. Rules are same. Start addition of this number. Start from the right side. 1 plus 1 equal to 10. So we will write 0 on the down side and 1 will carry on the upper side. So here 2 0 and 1 is given. So 1 plus 0 equal to 1. Again 1 plus 1 equal to 10. So we will write 0 on the down side and 1 will be carry the upper side. So here we got 3 1. So first we will add these two 1. 1 plus 1 equal to 10. 10 plus 1 equal to 11. So 1 will write down side and 1 will be carry. So 1 plus 0 equal to 1. 0 plus 1 equal to 1. Again 1 plus 0 equal to 1. Then 0 has to write 0 and again 0 plus nothing, that is 0 and 1 will write downside. So answer is 100. 4 times 1 and 0 1 0. This is the binary addition. In this session we have done decimal to binary conversion, binary to decimal conversion, and binary addition. So keep practicing. Thank you. Happy learning.